Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, it's Favi. So I'm editing a video now and I realized that I forgot to do an intro, so I'm going to try to do that really quick now so that you guys do know what you guys are about to watch. So basically, I'm about to show you guys a full day worth of beauty routines for the face. So I start off in the morning and I show you guys how I use a GuaSha tool to wake up my face. That's the first routine, and then the second one is I do a quick and very easy no makeup look beauty routine. Then I continue with my day. I don't record that part, and once I come back, I do show you what my face looks like after wearing that beauty product for several hours, and then I just wash it off. Yeah, so I hope you guys like it, and if you guys do, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy! Okay guys, so it is 8:18 and I'm gonna head out to do a job this morning really quick, and I feel like my face is feeling good and I wanted to massage it, exercise it to kind of wake it up and lift it, so I wanted to show you guys. I did wash my face this morning with Brightening face wash. I don't have it here, and I just put on something like this, some CeraVe, super basic lotion. I don't always use that, so I'm not gonna wash my face anymore. I feel like I need to wake my face up still, like it's still tired, my eyes are still tired, and I've been up for like an hour. So I want to massage it and wake it up. So basically I'm going to use a few tools that basically like the gym for your face, and it exercises your face and it wakes it up and it helps shape it and stuff. So I'm going to wash my hands, and then I'm just going to put something on to help the tools slide and stuff, because you don't want to be like pulling on your skin. So I don't normally do this where I like already washed my face and put some light lotion on it, so we'll see how that goes. And I'm gonna use serum, so I never use it in this order, but it should be fine. Okay, so I just finished washing my hands with soap, and this is what I'm gonna use. I think it'll be fine if I apply this. So it's the SkinCeuticals Phyto Corrective Gel. It's a calming gel, so it's pretty gentle and like okay for sensitive skin, so I want to treat this as a sensitive situation because I've never mixed them. So I'm just going to put a few drops. Oops, I can't really see on the camera. And this is supposed to help with pigmentation and just help like plump the skin and protect it against the environment and stuff. But mostly I use it for pigmentation. I have like freckles on my nose and just like brown spots throughout my face because I spend a lot of time in the sun. And growing up, I didn't always use sunblock, even though I kind of did, but not always. So I'm gonna do that. Massage it around so it spreads around, and then press it in. So my GuaSha broke. I ordered a new one, but I'll use what I have. So I'll start in my forehead. And you work from the center of your face out, because like you're trying to lift your eyebrows and your eyes and everything. So and I'm like basically laying it flat, so I put it like this, but then I lay it flat and I like slide. So I think you can tell already it's like already lifted. Okay. And I do like to focus a lot on like this part, because this is easy to do. So you kind of bring everything here and then you massage what's there out. It's like, imagine there's like liquids and things under there, so you're helping them like spread out. And so then I'm gonna turn this and help shape my jaw. And I do it like 5 times, I don't know. And you're supposed to be gentle. Like your face shouldn't be getting red and stuff. Okay, so now I'll do the other side. And I'm just gonna wear like a tinted moisturizer and maybe some mascara, maybe fill in my eyebrows a little. So I was like, damn, it's been an hour and my face still has not woken up. And I do want to make my noise. I don't know if the nose does much, but I kind of want to do what you think would be right for it. For me to be more pointy. And I have another piece. This one's still cold. The colder it is, the better. So if you put these in the fridge, it'll be better. Also, I think the more you do it, it's like exercise. The more you do it, the more it's gonna show. The more it's gonna get stronger. It's gonna shape a certain way because you're gonna keep it up. But point is that it does wake up my face. So I guess I should put on my tinted moisturizer. I have many, but there's one that I like best for coverage, so I'm gonna get that. I didn't have this planned, but might as well. So I basically have this tinted moisturizer that I like a lot. It's kind of oily. And then I have this eyebrow pencil from Benefit. It is called Precisely My Brow Pencil. I'll link it down below. I don't know what color it is. I don't know if it comes in different colors. And then I have mascara from Arbonne. It works. It's cool. It's easy to take off. I feel like it's made with better ingredients, so I like it because of that. And then I have this Honest cream blush. Got it at Target. And then I have this Jaclyn Hill brush that I use for my blush. I feel like this part of my face is still tired. I slept on this side of my face, so I think that's why it's like stuck in that position. Okay, alright, so then I'll put some of this on. I'm almost out. I really like this one, but this one doesn't have, this is the one that has the least SPF, so I don't like that part. It has 30 SPF, and that's what it looks like. But I'm not really gonna be outside, so it's okay. I will. So you always want to lift. I know that we do go in circles once in a while, but ultimately you want to lift your face and like make sure you get every part, make sure it spreads right. Okay, so I'll do my eyebrows. What time is it? Oh shoot, it's time for me to go. Oops, I am smearing this stuff all over. So that's my eyebrows, eyelashes. And sorry for if it's noisy in here and the light's not that good. I'm just using the light in my bathroom, which is right above the camera. And then we have one of those fans, like we have a bathroom fan that you can't turn off. It's supposed to make sure you don't like build, so mold doesn't start to build. So hopefully I can make it not be so noisy when I edit the video. Okay. This eye still just does not want to wake up. But my face does feel more awake. Like I felt like my body was awake and I was good. I did some work on the computer and my face was just like stuck, tired, dead. Like I needed to wake it up. So I did. Okay, now I'm gonna put on the blush. I should straighten my line. Alright, that's it. So I'll try to do like a before and after side by side. I'll link everything down below. And yeah, check them out. I hope you guys like that. And this is just like my run errands, do quick little jobs. This is what I do on those days. So this is me in front of a window. So I have better lighting. And I wanted to show you guys what that looks like.
And so as many families can get
so the reason I like this tinted moisturizer, I should say it now too, is because it is a bit more oily, but I feel like it gives me like a bright face, and since I don't use it often, it's okay. Alright guys, so it is 2:26. I got done with my little jog. I got home, I ate, I helped my little brother with his homework. I got home like around 11. Now it is 2:26. So I just feel like washing off my makeup because I did have a mask on. So I feel like this part of me is gross. Shelter in place is still a thing, so I do want to wash off tinted moisturizer with SPF, and yeah, just chill in my bed, do some computer work, and have a clean face. So this is what it looks like now. I should probably record myself at the window. So this is what my face looks like after a couple hours of hanging out, having a mask on. Alright, so I'm going to use my Revision Skincare Papaya Enzyme Cleanser. This one's here at my sink. This is just like a basic cleaner. It's supposed to help exfoliate without it having the actual like little beads or particles. So yeah, it's just here. I don't need to do like nothing major, so I'm going to just pour some on my hand and then just lather my hands and wash my face. Wet myself some more. And I'm just gonna wash it again. Put some more soap. And this is like a muslin cloth. I don't know if you can see, but it's very thin. It's very gentle on the face and actually helps exfoliate. So normally I would use like a really gentle toner. Is that what it's called? A toner? I have like this Juice Beauty face toner that I just squirt onto the cotton pads, but I let my friend borrow it so she could try it, so I'm just going to use these. Like I said, I have multiple items of every type of product, so this is another like toner type of a thing, but it's just wet pads, so you don't have to like pour it into your pad. It's already like in there wet, you know. These ones work really good. I'm a big fan of First Aid Beauty. I actually used their tinted moisturizer this morning, so that's what I just washed off. So what I'll do first is I'll soak my whole face. I'll apply the product on my face so that the pad gets a little dry. And then I'll go in and then I'll start like rubbing, not rubbing, but just like gently massaging the face, exfoliating if there's anything to exfoliate. And I'm doing this because I was using like an oily face moisturizer, and I have skin that's really prone to breaking out. So yeah, I like to do my hairline very well because since I don't get that close with the water with my hands. And this is actually looking pretty clean. So that tinted moisturizer did wash off pretty well and easily. So I'll let that dry a little. I feel like my face looks red. I don't think it looked that way when I like, I don't think the camera picked up like red skin, because I don't think it looks that red in person. So now that that is washed off, that is like dried and whatever. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply this one more time, the Phyto Corrective Gel, just because I did use toner and I feel like my skin reacts a little bit to toner, because it does have, I don't know what it has, but I do feel like if I combine the toner with like the wrong product, my skin will like kind of get red and act funky. And since this one's supposed to be like a calming serum, I just use that one when I don't really know what to do or where. I'm just gonna wear this moisturizer on top of it. By the Origins, it's called Ginzing Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. I do have kind of oily skin, so gel moisturizers are like my go-to when I just have something basic. Like I wear this at night sometimes, I wear this in the morning, in the afternoon. That's just like a safe one. I can wear that one anytime, and it's just light. And my skin absorbs it pretty well, and it doesn't make my face oily. But depending what I'm doing, like if I'm gonna apply foundation, sometimes I do want something more moisturizing, so I feel like it's like a protective barrier between my skin and the foundation. Yeah, that's it. Now I'm just gonna go chill on my bed and work on, I have 2 jobs. We are in home sheltering, so I am flexing my hours a lot, which means sometimes I'm up working till 3 in the morning, but I'm just productive throughout the day. And yeah, and I'll make sure to record myself at the window right now. Alright, so my face is washed. So now I'm just gonna chill in bed with my laptop and get some work done.